To make the window casings, we used 1x6 boards that we painted before installing. You just need to cut the boards to length, measure from the window frame to the drywall, and cut the board flush with the drywall. These boards have not been cut yet, but I set them in there to show you how easy it is. Cut the boards, nail them into the side studs, and fill the holes. While we were building this house, we stayed in one cabin that had window moldings we liked that looked incredibly easy to make. Rather than having 45-degree angles at all four corners, they just met square and had the top going past the two sides like this. Here's the bathroom, the kitchen, and the ones in the bedroom. When painted with white gloss, they came out pretty good. Here's a pic of the living room with them done. We did the same for the closet opening. On to the doors. These doors are pre-hung hollow doors that come already attached to the door moldings. They're pretty easy to install, and you simply put the one molding on one side of the wall and the other molding on the other side. Nail them in, putty the holes, and paint. We did remove the doors after installing them by pulling out the pins so we could paint them easier in the garage. Same goes for the bifold closet doors. The door between the garage and living space is a steel door because it has to meet fire code. But it was also pre-hung and installed the same way as the other doors, with the addition of a threshold we glued to the concrete floor.